With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, in this question it is given that the plates of the parallel plate capacitor have a plate area is A and are clamped in the laboratory as shown in the figure we can see. The dielectric slab of the mass m, length is 12 and the width is 12, released from the rest with the length L inside the capacitor. Clear? Neglecting any effect of the friction or the gravity so that the slab will execute the periodic motion and find its time period. Clear? And it is also given that this is the square and the side is what 12 we can see from here. Clear? Now this B is also equal to 12 we can see from here. From the question it is given that this B is also equal to 12 and this side is what dielectric we can see. This side is what dielectric and dielectric constant is this K and this side is what without dielectric we can see. Clear? Now from this we can find the capacitance of the dielectric side and the capacitance of the without dielectric side. In this way we can find the C equivalent. Clear? So first we can find the capacitance of the portion with dielectric. Clear? So capacitance of portion with dielectric clear? This now this let us consider this is the C1, so C is equal to what K into epsilon naught A and divided by we can write this D, and D is equal to we can see from here this is the B. Clear? So this is what C1. So capacitance of the portion without dielectric we can also find. Clear? So capacitance of portion without dielectric. So this is what C2 we can assume, and this is equal to what epsilon naught A and divided by this B. Clear? Now we can find the C equivalent. So how we can find this is, let us consider this is the first equation and this is what second equation. So from first and second we can find the C equivalent. Clear? Now this C equivalent is equal to, both are in the parallel we can see, so this is equal to C1 and plus C2 we can write. Clear? So from here we can write C1 is what K into epsilon naught A and divided by B, and plus we can write epsilon naught A and divided by B we can write. Clear? Now from here we can take common epsilon naught A and divided by B we can take common, so this is what 1 plus K. Clear? So this is what C equivalent we can find in this way. Clear? Now for a small displacement of slab in inward direction, for a small displacement of slab in inward direction. Clear? Inward direction. Clear? For this what will happen we can see from here. So dielectric slab will increase, so what will happen, C will increase, therefore we can write from here C will increase. Clear? So we can see from here C will increase. Clear? If the C will increase it means U will increase. Clear? If the U will increase then we know that Q is equal to what CV. Clear? And V is what constant, and V is the constant. Clear? If the V is constant and C increases, it means we can see from here Q is also increases. This implies that Q will increase. Clear? So when the Q will increase we can see from here, so from here it is clear that charge will increase. Clear? So let dq charge, we can see from here, let dq charge be the extra charge, be the extra charge. Clear? Clear? Now we can find the work done. So how we can find the work done? So d WB is equal to what we can write, this is what du, and plus we can write this dWf we can find, clear, work done by the applied force we can find, clear. Now from here, so how we can find this dW, from here we can see, so how we can find the dW, so dW we have to find dWb is equal to, and this is equal to dq into v we can write, clear, and dq is equal to what we can say, q equal to cv, so this is equal to dc and v square, this, clear. Now we can find the du, clear, so du we can find, how we can find this du is equal to, from here we can write 1 by 2 and d into c into v square, clear. Now this value we have to put in this equation. Let us consider this is the third equation, so in this equation we have to put this value, clear. So dw equal to what we can see from here, this is the dc and v square we can write, and is equal to 1 by 2 dc and v square and plus, and this can be written as f into dl, clear, this part dwf we can write f into dl, clear. Now from here we can write f into dl is equal to what, 1 by 2 d into c into v square we can write, clear. Now from here we can write this f is equal to 1 by 2 and dc and divided by dl into v square we can write, clear, this. Now dc by dl and c we have found it earlier, and this c is equal to, we can see from here, c equivalent, so this is equal to epsilon naught a divided by b into 1 plus k, so this is equal to, we can write 1 by 2 and differentiation of epsilon naught a divided by b into k plus 1 we can write, this, clear. So divided by we can write, this is what, dl, clear, and into v square we can write, clear. So we have to differentiate this, and we have to find the f value, clear, and b is also equal to 2b, clear. So we have to differentiate this, and we have to find this f value, clear. So this is equal to, f is equal to 1 by 2, after differentiating this and putting the value of this, b is equal to 12, this is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught a, and divided by we can write 4 into l square we can write, into we can write 1 minus k minus 1, this into v square we can write, clear. So f is equal to, we can say, this, clear. Now acceleration we can find, so acceleration equal to, as we know, f and divided by m, so this is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught a and divided by we can write 4 l square m into minus k minus 1, that this minus k minus 1, and this v square we can write, this is what, acceleration. So we can find the displacement, this is what, l. So this l is equal to 1 by 2 and at square, 1 by 2 at square, clear, where u is what, we have to take 0, that's why. Now t square is equal to what, 2l and divided by a we can write, clear. Now from here we can write this t square, or t is equal to root under 12 by a we can write, clear, this. Now this root under 12 by a we can write, clear. Now we have to put this acceleration value here, so this is equal to 2l, and acceleration value we have to put here, and this is equal to 1 by 2 and epsilon naught a and divided by 4l square, and m is also here, and minus k and minus 1, this, clear, and into v square is this, clear. So from here we can find the t value, clear. So t is equal to, from here we can see, after solving this we can find the t value, and this t is equal to, this is what, 2l and divided by we can write epsilon naught into we can write minus k and minus 1 and v square we can write, clear, this is what, t value. Now according to question we have to find the time period. So time period is what, time period is equal to 4 into t, so this is equal to, we can write 4 into we can write t is what, this is the 2L and divided by epsilon naught into -1 minus k, clear? This into VA square. So this is the time period according to question, we can see, clear? And this we have to find according to question, clear? So this is the required answer for this question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.